nothing ends and nothing starts. Forever is not a wish that we can grant. Day begins as night departs. Turn off the lights, wave goodbye to the dark. We are sharp as stars. All of this is ours. We burn too bright to last. Absent from your clumsy mask. Organs fragile as thin glass. Finally, you found what you thought lost, and you're free, free at last. And you're free, free at last. And you're free, free at last. We are sharp as stars. All of this is ours. We burn too bright to last. We are sharp as stars. To burn twice as bright is to burn twice as fast. We are sharp as stars. All of this is ours. We burn too bright to last.
Western visitors are often startled by the slurping sounds in a Japanese noodle shop. But in Japan, slurping is a sign that you are enjoying your meal.
Let me go get some lunch. Seems everyone's eating noodles, I guess. This is how they eat it. Slurp it in. There. Suck it in. Slurping is completely acceptable. Here, you guys. Don't mind? It's okay to slurp it. Nobody told me they're using cock lard.